So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Thursday, the 1st of March. Now, let's just have a look what happened with prices. So previously we saw price going towards the 200 period average. We had a brief sell-off, a retest of the 34.50, from which we did see a pretty sizable sell-off all the way down to this 13.58. From there, we found support for a test of the 13.20.25. We weren't able to have meaningful closes above the 13.20.25, and now we're in for a retest of 13.58. If we do see the break at 13.58, we're looking for price head down towards that 13.05 level, a very key level, and a break from which we'll be looking for price head down towards the 12.96. I would expect 12.96 to be the far end of the range here, unless we'd have an especially volatile day on the XAUUSD, while being aware of the 1300 level might just be a psychological level of interest. If however we do turn around from where we are at present in around the 13.58, or if we do find support at 13.05, if we do find support at 13.05, we'll be targeting 13.58 for a break for a move towards the 13.20 level. And again, if we did find support at the 13.58, we'll see our price react around 13.20. Successful break from which we'll be looking at prices head towards that 13.28, and a break from there we'll be looking for price head up towards the very key important level of 34.51. Now, before we get up to 34.51, we do have to be aware of the 13.28. But before we get up to, yes, we've mentioned that, but we do have the 200 and 400 period moving average currently diverging one another, so we could potentially see a further this area in around where we do have the moving averages act as a bit of a sell zone as we are approaching it from underneath, and we're likely to see moves to the downside. And with that said, we've pretty much identified all levels that are of interest, and let's just have a look at the daily time frame just to see how prices are developing. So we get the scale on here correct, and what we can see here is prices moved up, retracement moved up again, found resistance in around 13.57, slightly above that level as well. And what we did see was sell side momentum come into the market, and we are looking for prices to form a bit of a bottom in around the 13.05 or in around the 12.96. So we'll see how prices develop from here. But there does appear to be a slight bias to the downside on the XAUUSD, especially in light of these tops here in the market and the sizable candles to the downside. Would expect possibly to see further sell side momentum unless we do find let's just rephrase that. So we do have these sizable candles to the downside, possibly which make us more likely to head down towards that 13.05 level. If we do find support there, we've got a bit of a trading range developing here for further upside continuation. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD. Thanks for watching.